Mr. X is back, folks. If you have no idea who that is, just follow along and learn how you can get some great traffic for your site or for your sites. This is premium traffic at reduced prices. And so I want to just do a little background here. And so I have been a member of a company that's been around since 2017, and they have modified their program a little bit because initially it came out with both health and fitness, but also marketing tools, and those have gone their separate way. But as of March, okay, there's been a couple changes here recently, but as of March 2026, notice it is April 12th down here, 2026, top 10 all time. Okay, here I am. I'm number 10 all time. I just got bumped, so I got to kick the gear back in. But Mr. X is actually on the top 10 list with me. Okay, so Mr. X is actually Paul Darby. And Paul has been on leaderboards for many, many years, and he continues to maintain his position in this leaderboard here. And he has now opened up an actual traffic membership that you can earn commissions on at 2 tiers. Okay, 50% for any membership you refer to somebody else, but also a matching check bonus. And so all you gotta do is click the link below, and that will bring you to this page talking about his traffic, talking about some of the changes that has taken place over the years, especially now going into AI and actually using AI. And if you actually look at his YouTube video or YouTube channel, you can see he's done a lot in AI. So, AI threat, AI predicts, shifting chat GPT, so on and so forth, strategies to boost your traffic and sales, viral tips, faceless videos, things like that. So he is doing a lot of the work on the back end, and all you have to do is submit your link. So you have a couple different testimonial videos you can see here. Goes through an overview of how things have changed in the advertising industry over the last few years. And like I said, it's very simple. You just send your link that you want. You can purchase from a variety of packages. The AI does the work, and then obviously you start to follow up with those people. Hopefully you have a correct autoresponder. If you don't have an autoresponder, make sure you take a look below as well. I will recommend an autoresponder that I'm using right now, and actually allows me to build not only leads myself, but other people on my team to send me leads. Notice the traffic packages start as low as $20. From what I've seen right now, and maybe this will evolve over time, I upgraded to the reseller level. I also have the membership, and therefore I can now earn commissions on other memberships. I'm thinking over time that I will be able to allow you just to buy straight up traffic and not have to join the membership. I'm still waiting for Paul to get back to me on that one. But right now, in order to get these prices, you do have to be a member. So even with the member rate, you are still getting an amazing deal, because right now it's 25 cents a click. The membership is $19.99 or $19. Yeah, $19 a month. So basically, if you double this and called this $40, really 50 cents a click is a really, really good deal. All the way over here, I'm actually testing one of these packages out. I just bought the traffic this morning, so I won't know for a matter of days how the traffic handles, and I'm throwing that out there as well. So just be, do your due diligence, follow through. And like I said, if you are familiar with Paul's history in being on the leaderboard, he has to be doing something right. And so obviously he's now sharing that and getting back in the game on the traffic end where he was for many, many years before. Notice down here, just 10 cents a click. Like I said, if you add in the monthly membership, obviously it's going to cost a little bit more to, dollar cost average that. But to get 1,500 clicks or eyeballs on your site for just 10 cents each is a really good deal when they are going to be targeted traffic. So all you have to do is click the button below, or again, once you're on the page, you're going to be clicking join the $19 a month club, and then you'll be able to not only get the clicks to the links you choose, but also get some free traffic. Members also get cycled traffic as well. So once you join, you'll come into the members area, you get a welcome video from Paul's avatar, and then you can choose your package. Obviously, you have your affiliate link. You can start sharing with each other and with other people if you joined at the reseller level, which I would recommend, because then you're going to basically earn your entry back once you share it with a few people. Again, if it's a 50% commission, all you need to do is refer 2 people, and basically you're breaking even. You can click the button to order different packages. And like I said, there's a variety of packages. I'll show you that in a second. you can get free traffic, claim your free traffic. All you got to do is click and enter the link that you want that traffic to go to. Excuse me. And some of this, as I mentioned before, because this is a brand new program, excuse me, this is day one to my knowledge. I started reaching out to some other people and they said, yep, we just learned about it today as well. So this is brand new. You have an opportunity to share this with your team that are looking for traffic. And if you're looking to do a big team build, it might help to have a lot of people generate some leads. Now, keep in mind that each program has their own rules and regulations. Some do not want a lot of traffic going directly to their sales page or their opt-in pages. So maybe you have and create a page of your own first, capture the lead for yourself. Then in your follow-ups, you can redirect those people to that specific page. So some of the things that are coming in here, leaderboards are coming, awards, the merch store, custom pro funnels, AI apps to use, amongst other things. I also asked them about, seeing that we can, maybe track our clicks to see how those clicks are coming through, if that's going to be inside this member area. I also asked them about, seeing your referrals, seeing commissions, seeing matches, and things like that. So the commission when you are a reseller, 50% and a 2-tier matching check bonus. So I'm not sure exactly what the percentage is that, if it's a 50% match or a 25% match. Hopefully more will come out with that. Also, every Monday night, they plan on doing a live event or live training. And then, like I said, there's more coming. So if you are ready, just click that, like I said, click that link below. You can join. It's just $19 to join. Test it out for a month or two, see what kind of traffic you're getting. And again, maybe play around with a couple different offers, because every offer is going to be a little bit different. So if we click on this one, get traffic now, notice there's a variety of packages you can choose from. We just saw those a few minutes ago, from 25 cents a click all the way down to 10 cents a click for 1,500 visitors. So if you were going to another place like Udemy or, Traffic for Me or Traffic Authority, you might be spending $1 or more a click, or 50 cents or more a click. And again, you have to consider the type of traffic, the type of offer, what your follow-up is going to be. Everything is going to be a little bit different. So once you actually click this, you then have on the next page, I'm not going to go through right now, but on the next page, it just basically is agreeing to your payment method. And then it brings you to a page where you fill in your name, your email, you provide your tracking link. Okay, so if you don't have a tracking software, take a look below. I will provide a link to the software that I use to track my clicks as well, just so I can verify with any provider that those numbers are consistent. And then you have the ability to choose from about a dozen different fields or categories. For example, right now I'm testing one of the 1,500 clicks to one of my pages, where basically I'm promoting two different programs that are relatively similar and complementary, just bringing in more on the MLM aspect. But on the back end, it's tied to savings and health and fitness, or health and wellness. The one right here, I'm actually selling a physical product that I'm trying to give away for free with, an opt-in and then a follow-up that then gets them basically a free plus shipping offer on a weightlifting apparatus or device, okay, a relatively low, inexpensive wrist straps and wraps to help increase. And so one of the categories was basically fitness and bodybuilding. So I obviously chose fitness and bodybuilding for this one, and I just chose regular like internet marketing, digital marketing for this one. But they had things on finance, they had things in relationship, they had things in stress relief, they had categories, I believe, for personal development. And so, like I said, there's about a dozen different categories that you can choose, and therefore you're going to help to target your clicks a little better. And the cool thing is that when you do that on the back end, it doesn't change the price. A lot of other places, if you choose what you're going to do, like if you chose health, it would jack up the price, almost double on your clicks. And so it's kind of neat that has happened. Obviously, like I said, and again, a disclaimer, this is, basically first run. This is brand new. He's still updating stuff, but he is a legend in the industry. Like I said, he's been around for a while. And just to show you the numbers, again, going back, if you're still here at almost the 10-minute mark, again, Paul's number 7, I was down at number 10, if we go into my commissions, now this is not for this year, but this is for my total time going back to 2017, and really into 2018. 2017 was initial launch. 2018 is when things really started to take off. I've made a nice little income from them. I'm not obviously retired from it, but I am pretty close to breaking six figures just with this program alone. Okay, I've made almost $8,000 just, in the last 365 days. So, about $800 a month. Okay, or give or take whatever, divide by 12, $600 a month, whatever that is. So I'm making some nice commissions. It's just one of the things that I do. And I highly recommend you do multiple things as well. Diversify. Don't put your eggs all in one basket, especially when it comes to traffic. Check this traffic out, but test some other providers out as well, just to make sure if something goes wrong with one, you have others as well. So I'll also put some other recommended traffic providers below. But again, the recommended one for this one, obviously, is the new Mr. Traffic X with his premium traffic. And so, like I said, once you click that link below, grab yourself the membership. The membership is $19 a month. If you want to take the upgrade, again, it's a one-time upgrade to become a reseller, and then you have the ability to earn 50% commissions on all memberships. So take a look, start getting yourself some cool clicks and eyeballs on your site, and I hope to see some massive success with the traffic from Mr. X or Paul Darby and the Mr. X's premium traffic. This has been Dave Gardner, and we will see you on the inside, and we'll see you on the leaderboard. Take care.